So, welcome back to the Hankerson family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. So click the notification bell also, so when we make new videos, you'll be notified. All right, thank you. So in order to keep our lawn looking good after we put all this money into it, we went out and got us a new mower. The other mower was cutting too low, so I needed something that could go a little higher. And now we have this bad baby. So now we have an unboxing. Let's get it. Pick you up. Come in. There we go. Kick you out of the way. All right. So what we have here. Let's see. All right, gotta take you out. Where do I want to be? I want to be here. I want to be there. I want you to be here. Because something's not right. In the box I got this out of, it was kind of crumbled up or whatever. So I wouldn't be surprised if somebody had this and brought it back. Let me look underneath. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised.
Listen, now go type in the brand in YouTube, and they'll tell you how to put that thing together.
Oh snap! I see the problem. The lawnmower, the handle, basically is loose, and they pushed it down, so it actually goes underneath the shell of the lawnmower.
Yes.
And I'm like, what are these bars for? The damn blade can't spin.
Yes.
Okay, so
that's why I said look at the video. Because the video show you. Bro, trust me, I know exactly what you're talking about.
And now I know why. I'm like, those red things on yours are halfway, but on mine they're at the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, bro, I got you. Go, Mark.
Get on it, man. Make sure, hey,
what's up?
Make sure you cut that thing in whatever pattern you're gonna go, width, length, or diagonally. I would say go width first time.
You say go width?
Width. East and west. No, that's length, right? Yeah,
for me, that's length. East and west is length for me.
Yeah, east and length. My bad. Yeah, length. That's what I meant. Yeah, length. Yep.
Okay.
Length. The whole yard. All right, bro. Hey, well, I know you probably won't have no pictures, but if you can, send them when you're done.
Man, I always do pictures, bro.
All right.
I'm actually, you on my YouTube video right now. Say what's up, YouTube.
Oh, what's up? Wildcard 98.
Yes, sir. Wildcard 98. This is my friend Ian. He's like my mentor when it comes to lawn. Whatever he say, I just do. So if my lawn looks spectacular, it's Ian's fault. If it goes to trash, it's Ian's fault.
My fault.
So all right, boy.
Hey,
what's up?
Look,
what's up?
Let me know the next time so I can come out there with you.
Yeah. I will.
Okay. All right.
Go, Mark. So that makes sense. Oh shit, that makes sense. So this bar is supposed to be up. When you look under the bottom of it, you see this pipe right here? That's part of this. So this is supposed to actually slide up, which I didn't know. And that explains why so much slack right here. Okay, so let me slide you up. There we go. Okie dokie. Now, well, I can't believe that. Oh my God, I did not know that. There we go. Now, slip you back in. Gotta try to line this screw up. Yeah. Lawnmower. What's up? What's up, dude? Should. But even this one screws in, though. They both screw in.
No, because earlier, remember, it goes right in.
Oh, it slipped all the way through?
Yeah, so if we start screwing this, we're standing in a different direction.
So, finally got that done. You couldn't tell because I edited it out, but it's been about 30 minutes. It's been about 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna put some oil in. Put some gas in. Crank this baby up. You feel me? Halfway. Let's see how this thing works, baby. Let's see, ready to start. No prime, no choke, just pull the power. What? Yes, that's all we gotta do. Here we go. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Showtime. So this is my first time ever using a bag. It's kind of cool. Cool. It's the first. Keep the grass clippings off the grass. I'm done cutting the grass. Now I'm about to apply some Scotts Turf Builder Summer Lawn Food. You know, I'm vowing to do things right this time with my lawn. I gotta say, when I moved in, I thought if I cut it every 2 weeks, that'll be enough. We thought that Mother Nature was the person who was supposed to water the grass. So that was my train of thought. So I want to thank my brother Ian, Jay McNair. You know, y'all boys been getting me right, giving me the kind of advice I need. So I appreciate you guys, you know what I mean? Appreciate you guys. So now let's start. Hopefully everything will go good. We will see. Straight powder, like, come on, get out my yard, get out my yard. I'm checking to see how was the throw. They got up against the wall, so I don't want to risk going against it again, because I may burn it. I burnt some grass before, not trying to do it again. So I'm gonna go ahead to the backyard. Well, it was, I don't think I was as good as I could have been, but I think I got all parts of the lawn. Coverage was good. Now, I just got to turn the sprinklers on and let Mother Nature do its thing. Cool, and I'm out.